Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Hyundai Palisade. This midsize FE has been a popular choice for families, and for good reason. Let's jump in and see what the 2025 Palisade has to offer. The first thing that strikes you about the Palisade is its design. It's bold and sophisticated, with a cascading grille, sharp lines, and stylish wheels. It definitely has a more upscale look compared to previous models. Hyundai offers the Palisade in a variety of trims, each with its own unique features. The base trim comes well equipped, while higher trims like the Limited and Calligraphy offer even more bells and whistles. Interior comfort and technology now, let's move inside. The Palisade's cabin is truly impressive. It's spacious and comfortable, with seating for up to 8 passengers. The materials used throughout the interior feel high quality, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for everyone. Technology-wise, the Palisade is loaded with features. You'll get a large touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to use, along with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. There are also plenty of driver assistance features available, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The Palisade offers a choice of 2 engines, a powerful V6 or a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. No matter which engine you choose, the Palisade delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Hyundai Palisade? Overall, I'm really impressed. It's a stylish, comfortable, and feature-packed SUV that's perfect for families. With its spacious interior, advanced technology, and excellent safety ratings, the Palisade is a compelling option in the mid-size SUV segment. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.